NFPA 70, the National Electrical Code, does not specify a specific distance from a doorway for the placement of light switches. The NEC only requires that a light switch be located in a readily accessible location within the room or space. However, the International Residential Code, often abbreviated as IRC, does specify a requirement for the placement of light switches in relation to doorways. Specifically, IRC Section R303.2 requires that light switches be located within 3 feet, which is equivalent to 914 mm of the door opening. It is possible that an inspector is referencing the IRC rather than the NEC when citing a requirement for the distance of a light switch from a doorway. The relevant section from the IRC R303.2 states that light switches shall be located within 3 feet, again 914 mm of the door opening. Additionally, it's important to note that some local building codes may have additional requirements for the placement of light switches. Therefore, it is recommended to check with the local building department to determine if there are any additional requirements that apply to a specific situation. To summarize, the NEC focuses on the general accessibility of light switches within a room or space, while the IRC provides a specific measurement requirement for the distance of a light switch from a doorway, setting that distance at 3 feet. Also, remember to verify any local building codes, as they may have additional rules. When dealing with electrical codes, it is always better to double-check all applicable codes to ensure you have complied with all regulations.